5/10. Is it the simplest form of the rational number? Of course not. कैसे नहीं है? क्योंकि इनके जो कॉमन फैक्टर हैं वो हमें पता चल गया क्या है यहाँ पे 5 और 10 का कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है 5 ही है, क्योंकि 5 कैन बी रिटन एज 1 into 5 और 10 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 5. तो इनके कॉमन फैक्टर जो है 1 नहीं है, क्या है 5 है. तो हमें इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म या फिर इसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म कैसे लिखना है, जो इसका कॉमन फैक्टर है उसी कॉमन फैक्टर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे नीचे और ऊपर, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट एंड न्यूमरेटर पार्ट में. 5 को डिवाइड करें कॉमन फैक्टर 5 से, 10 को डिवाइड करें कॉमन फैक्टर 5 से. तो 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज 1, 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज 2. अंडरस्टूड? चलो ठीक है, ये हो गया. दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दिस रैशनल नंबर. सो यू मे बी गिवन इन द एग्जामिनेशन, जैसे कि हमने अभी अभी एग्जाम्पल में एक्सप्लेन किया था कि कैसे लिखना है इक्विवेलेंट नंबर्स को. तो इक्विवेलेंट नंबर्स को हमने ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया था कि इसके मल्टीपल्स से हम इसके मल्टीपल्स लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करते जाना है कोई भी नंबर से, नीचे ऊपर दोनों ओर. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर हो जाएगा. अभी उसी का उल्टा जो है, हमें डिवाइड अगर करेंगे कोई भी रैशनल नंबर को कॉमन फैक्टर से, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का कॉमन फैक्टर से अगर डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, उसका उल्टा, उसका रिवर्स, इसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म मिलेगा, जैसे कि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मिलेगा. तो हमने यहाँ पे सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म के बारे में एक्सप्लेनेशन दी है, समझ आई होगी शायद आप सभी को. तो और एक दो एग्जांपल्स हम ले लेते हैं और आप सभी को ये टास्क करना है कि इसके क्या लिखने हैं, यस सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. तो ये रहा टास्क आपके पास 4/8. इसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म क्या हो सकता है, आप प्रैक्टिस करो. यस, आपके लिए टाइम 5 सेकेंड्स का है. 1 2 3 4 5. व्हाट इज द आंसर? यस, आंसर विल बी, इसका कॉमन फैक्टर और इसका कॉमन फैक्टर है 4, सो डिवाइडेड बाय 4, देन इट विल बी 1 out of 2. यस सॉरी, 1 out of 2, दैट इज हाफ हो जाएगा आंसर. ठीक है. सो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई गिव यू, दैट इज 95/133. यू प्रैक्टिस इट. ओके, इसका कॉमन फैक्टर निकाल लेना है पहले और उसके बाद इसको डिवाइड करना है कॉमन फैक्टर से. ठीक है. उसके बाद और एक एग्जाम्पल लिखते हैं हम 55/105. इसका भी आप लोग क्या करोगे, इसका भी आप लोग कॉमन फैक्टर निकालोगे और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखोगे. Is that okay? So these are the two tasks to do or to practice. After this, now this is the new task for us, representation of rational numbers on a real line. Okay, so before this we have already learned how to represent a given real number on the number line. That means how to represent -1, -2 something, or +1, +5, +6 something, or 0 on the number line, etc. We have already learned. Now here under this session, under this topic, representation of rational numbers on number line, we are going to learn how to represent a given rational number, say for example half on the number line. How to represent half on the number line. Okay, so for which we will draw a line, endless line. Okay, that means line having both side arrowhead. We will draw a line first of all with both side arrowhead. ठीक है. उसके बाद since it is positive, so it will go, if it is 0 it will go this side. Then we will mark some points at equal intervals, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक मार्क किया, यहाँ पे एक मार्क किया, यहाँ पे. So we are marking at equal intervals. Okay, then let us look at what is the denominator of this. What is the denominator? It is 2. So let us start writing as, if it is 0 we used to write it as 1 2 3 4 and so on. Since it is half and we are going to express half on the number line, 1/2 on the number line, so how will you write it as? Okay, it will be 1/2, then it will be 2/2, or 2/2 means 1 you can write, then 3/2, 4/2 is 2. Okay, that means if I write it as if this is 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 is 1, this is 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, or not? So 0, 1, 2, and exactly in the middle of 0 and 1 there exists half. Okay, exactly between at the middle of 0 and 1 there exists half. Okay, so this is the required position and we will mark it and we will name it as certain point, suppose A. So this is the representation of half on the number line. Clear? So how will you represent? This side there will be negative numbers. Okay, you can put one or two like this, and it will be minus half, it will be minus 2 by 2, that means minus 1, or minus 2 by 2 you can write. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Clear? So if it is 0, then it will be, if it is 0, then it will be half and it will be 1. Between 0 and 1, the central point, the central position will be half, position for half. Okay, so this is how we are representing given rational number on the number line or real line. So one more example, let us take how to represent root over 1 by 3 on the number line. How to represent 1 by 3 on the number line? Yes, for which what to do? First of all, we will draw a line segment, endless line segment, that means a line segment with arrowhead both the sides. Clear? First of all, a line segment we will draw, then we will put arrowhead both the side. You need not to write x and y. Then somewhere there will be, since it is positive, definitely it will go this side, so it will be 0 somewhere we are going to put. After that, we are going to mark some points, some position, some marks here at equal intervals. Remember, equal interval, okay, equal spacing between them. Then that side also you can, if you wish you can. Clear? Now what is the denominator here? 3. Denominator is 3. So we will begin with 0, then 1 by 3, then it will be 2 by 3, then it will be 3 by 3, it will be 4 by 3, it will be 5 by 3, and so on. Then this side it will be minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, and so on. So we were asked to find, okay, this is 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1 or not? Yes, 3 by 3 is 1. So between 1 and 0, we have divided it into equal 3 parts. Equal 3 parts. Look at equal 3 parts, of which the first part is what? 1 by 3. So you can name it as any name you can give it. Suppose B. Got it? And minus 3 by 3 is that side. Look at minus 3 by 3. If you divide it, then it will be minus 1. That means we have also divided this side also in equal 3 parts. Got it? Now let us consider one more rational number, how to represent it on the real line. Say 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Represent 4 by 5 on the number line or real line. So for which the similar process we will do. This is a positive number, positive rational number. So for which we will draw a line first, and then we'll put arrowhead both the sides. After that, since it is positive, so it is better not to go this side. So it is 0, and this side let us mark. What is the denominator here? 5. Okay, don't worry. Let us go on marking some points at equal intervals. At equal intervals, let us mark some points. Got it? After that, what is the denominator here? 5. So you will start with 1 by 5, 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5, this is 5 by 5. Got it? It will be 6 by 5, it is 7 by 5, and so on. It will go that side. And this side also minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, it will go like that. Is that okay? Now, what was our task to represent? It was 4 by 5. Where is 4 by 5? These point represent 4 by 5. So this is 4 by 5. This is, let us name it as some point, say C with a point. Okay, 5 by 5 is what? 5 by 5 is 1. That means between 0 and 1, we have divided it into how many parts? 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4th part and 5th part. So between 1 and 0, we have divided it in 5 equal parts, of which the 4th part, this is the first part, this is second part, it is third part, and this is 4th part. 4th part is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Okay, 4 by 5 is represented like this on the number line. And you have noticed one thing, that between two rational number, that means 0 is a rational number, you know very well, and 5 by 5 is also a rational number, you know very well. And between these two rational number, we have represented how many rational numbers? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and on and so on. That means between two rational numbers, between two given rational numbers 0 and 1, there exist many rational number, not only 4. We have represented here only 4 because this was different task. We need to represent 4 by 5 on the number line. That's why. Otherwise, it can be said that, or it is like this: 0, between 0 and 1, or between any two given rational numbers, there exist infinite numbers of rational numbers. Remember, okay? There exist infinite numbers of rational number. Now, I am going to give you a task to represent some rational numbers on the number line, and those who are direct in contact with me, they can complete the task and they can send it to me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, so let us represent. Your task is to represent 3 by 4 on the number line, 3 by 4 on the number line. Then this is one. The second task will be 1 by 6 on the number line. Third task will be 3 by 5 on the number line. Second, next task will be say 4 by 5 I have already done. 3 by 4 on the number line, 3 by 4 on the number line. You will represent these numbers. One more I am giving you, that is 4 by 7 on the number line. Okay, this 5 task I am giving you: 3 by 4, 1 by 6, 3 by 5, 3 by 4, and 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 times I have given. See, 3 by 5, 7, let us make it 7. 3 by 7 on the number line, then 4 by 7. Okay, this 5 task I am giving you to practice, and if you have any confusion, you can contact me. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.